Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a video just kind of going through some PR items that I have received over the last week and a half. I've never done a video like this, so it's kind of like my first PR unboxing, but unlike other YouTubers, they have all their boxes piled up behind them and they sit there and open each box one by one. I'm not doing that. Ain't nobody got time for that. That's not what she's doing. What I am doing is I have already opened everything and I've got it all laid out in front of me, and I'm just gonna kind of go through it item by item, talk a little bit about it, and then at the end, what I really want to see is you all sound off in the comments section and let me know what items you would like to actually see me review, demo, kind of try out, do a wear test, the whole nine, and we'll just kind of go from there. And then let me know, do you like these kind of videos? Do you not? Hey, I figure I'd try it once. If nobody likes it, I won't do it again. Simple as that. But what you have all been waiting for, first of all, thank you all so much for all of the love and support on, I guess now 2 videos ago, when I had my 1,500 subscriber giveaway video. You guys, thank you all so much for all the love and support. That was so awesome. Just reading your comments and the messages, it was all very thoughtful, very sweet, and there were a lot of y'all that entered the giveaway. I have to be really honest, I was very shocked at how many people entered the giveaway, but I'm so thankful and appreciative that you all did. And the giveaway is now closed, and as you can tell from that video, if you have not checked it back out recently, the giveaway is closed and the winner has been announced. The winner has been announced in the description box of that video. I will be sure to link it up here or here and you all can check that out. The winner has been contacted and they have 24 hours to respond to my email communication to claim their prize. If I do not hear from them within 24 hours, I will randomly select another winner and we'll start the process again of reaching out, and they will then have 24 hours to respond back to my message. But again, you guys, thank you so much for participating, for following me here, subscribing me, liking my videos, and just leaving me your comments and just the love. It was really nice and very appreciated, you guys. So guys, enough of all that rambling. If you want to see my first PR unboxing, then keep on watching. All right, first things first. I am super duper pumped because Sigma, who is really known for their amazing brushes, actually reached out and wanted to partner, and they sent me a lot of goodies to kind of try out and demo for you guys. And let me just start with this. They sent all of these brushes. So I've got 5 of their kind of cult favorite brushes. So I got the E59 wide shader brush. I got the E06 winged liner brush. I got the F80 flat top kabuki. Now this is the one that I hear people rave about the most, and it was the Best of Beauty award winner for Allure in 2016. So this is the one that I've seen most often, and I've heard about it for years. And their E38 diffused crease brush, and then the F06 powder sweep brush. Now you guys, if you're not familiar with Sigma and Sigma Beauty, Sigma brushes, just Sigma in general, you can check them out at sigmabeauty.com. And like I said before, what they're really known for are their brushes. And the really cool thing about them is that they're the only company I know of. Now I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments and let me know who else does this, but they are the only company that I have heard of to date that actually offers a warranty on their brushes. They have a 2-year warranty on all of their brushes, and you would think that with a warranty that the brushes are like probably astronomically priced. They really aren't, guys. Now granted, they're not Morphe prices, but they're a little bit higher than Morphe's, but I mean, for a 2-year warranty, I think I would pay a little bit more. So That is one of the huge selling points for Sigma. Again, I have not tried these out yet, but I plan to in a future video. If you all want to see that, please let me know down in the description box and by giving this video a thumbs up. And also from Sigma, they also sent me the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Here's what the packaging looks like. We got like a little sleek black unicarton with a nice holographic print. Here is what the back looks like, and these are all of the shades that you get in this palette. So let me open it, and it's really cool. It just slides out. And so again, on the back it's got all the shades along with the names. I do like that. I love it when they give you shade names on the back and on the front. You guys, I swear, this is one thing that I absolutely cannot stand, is when they only have the names on the back of the palette. And another brand that's really known for doing that is Kylie Cosmetics. She won't ever put the names of the shadows on the front. She always puts it on the back, so it's really difficult, especially like if somebody's trying to do a video, having to flip back and forth, you know, to give you the names and the colors and all that good stuff. So here we go. These shades, you guys, this is definitely a fall palette for sure. Look at these colors. That green shimmer in the bottom, cannot wait to get my hands on that. That's called Fool's Gold. This is a perfect fall palette, you all. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 12 total. So there's 12 eyeshadows in here, definitely fall staples. Cannot wait to try that out. A couple more things from Sigma. The other thing I got was the Sigma Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Wicked. And this is, I believe this is like a shade, yeah, Wicked is black. So this is just a black gel eyeliner. Their packaging is so cute with the matte and the chrome black and then the holographic logo. So yeah, there's the logo of Sigma, which I'm sure that you have seen before now. So I will definitely try that out, because I feel like you can't have too many eyeliners, whether it be a pencil or gel. So definitely will try that out. Now, this little contraption I'm really excited about. This is the Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. It's a 2-in-1. It deep cleans your makeup brushes quickly and easily. So here's this thing. And it says, and it has like little suctions on the back of it so that you can put it on your sink. And it says, okay, secure suction cups in the sink. And the antimicrobial, gentle, and effective silicone textures will scrub away dirt and germs. Okay, so if you can see from this picture down here, you can kind of see how to clean it. So definitely may have to do a future video showing you all this, how to clean your brushes with this and seeing if it works or not. So that is all from Sigma. I really don't have a whole lot, just a couple more things. The next items I got are actually from Laura Mercier. Now, I'm sure you have seen other videos, or if you follow just Laura Mercier's website in general, or their social media, Sephora, Ulta, whatever. I'm sure you have heard about, if not already seen, the launch of the new translucent setting powders, and this is actually a glow powder. So the packaging is really nice. It's different from the old packaging. Let's just open it up. Ooh. Okay, so again, the lid is like a different color. So this is the translucent loose setting powder in glow, and they sent me medium deep. And again, I have not tried this out yet. I will definitely be trying this out one day this week. And let me see if it says anything. Okay, it says the iconic translucent loose setting powder in a glow finish sets makeup for lasting weightless wear. It extends makeup wear with sheer coverage and lasting neutral luminosity while blurring fine lines. Now it says the best way to use this glow powder, unlike the regular setting powder, is to use the glow powder brush. Apply all over the face after applying foundation and concealer. The glow powder brush is sold separately. Well, y'all, they sent me the brush. So here is what the brush looks like. Ooh. Oh my God, y'all, that is so soft. I don't know that I've ever felt a brush this soft. It's really nice. It matches the packaging for everything else. Y'all, this is just like, look at the, it's like angled. It's kind of like got like a little chiseled effect here. Really nice, you guys. This is just, oh. Ooh, so you're supposed to use the glow powder with this brush. And then they also sent me just their regular setting powder. And of course they sent that in medium deep too. So this is just the regular translucent setting powder. So I will definitely be trying these out this week. Well, only if you want to see it, you gotta let me know. All right, and then these were not sent to me in PR or anything like that. I actually purchased these, and I purchased these because they were so cheap. And these are not even new products. They've been on the market for, hell, maybe a year or two now, but I've never tried them. And the fact that they were marked down so cheap, I had to go ahead and try these out. So, I don't know if y'all are familiar with Hootsuite, Hot-Suite. Hell, I don't even know how you freaking pronounce it, but I think it's Hootsuite. I think that's what it is, yeah. So they have a lot of name brand products from your favorite designers and brands, and they have everything like severely discounted, y'all. I mean like legit discounted. So I believe these Stila foundation, so this is the Stila Stay All Day foundation, and I got it in the color Deep. This was the only darker color that they had. I think normally on the Stila website these are around like $40, $45. I paid 16 bucks for these through Hootsuite. Damn it, whatever. I'll have it listed in the description box. But so I got the Stay All Day foundation, and then I got the Aqua Glow Serum foundation. And the Aqua Glow Serum, they actually had it in 2 dark colors. So they had it in deep and dark. So I got both of these colors, and we are going to test out both of these. Now let me show you what it looks like. So I just think the bottle is so pretty. So pretty. So that's what it looks like. And it says that, well, let's see. And watch this, like watch the dropper. It's like a little dropper, and then you open it, and then you just press the button to release the product. That's really nice. And let me see if it says, okay, so it says medium to full buildable coverage with the natural radiant finish. Advanced multi-reflective color pigments play with the light to instantly even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of imperfections. It contains an electrolyte balance system, a carefully combined complex of ionized water, advanced hyaluronic acid, and essential minerals to help hydrate and nourish for skin that glows with healthy radiance. And most importantly, it is fragrance free. Y'all know I don't do fragrances. So that's what the Aqua Glow Serum Foundation is. And then let's take a look at the Stay All Day Foundation. And then here's what the Stay All Day Foundation looks like. It's a hefty little dude. Ooh. So this is one of those, so see it's got like the little stopper right there, so you just press down on this and the product comes up, I believe. I don't want to do it yet because I'm not ready to try it just yet. So this says it is long wear, high definition, full coverage with a matte finish. Blendable formula helps to even skin tone and minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's innovative, oxygenating formula with botanical extracts and antioxidants, promotes healthy looking skin. It is oil free and fragrance free. So definitely cannot wait to try these out. These will definitely be featured on Foundation Friday. Maybe one this week, maybe one next week, or maybe we'll have a battle of the Stila foundations. I don't know. These are definitely going to be put to use. Okay, guys, I think that's it. So this was really like a mini PR unboxing because I only had 2 actual PR things to go through, and then these I purchased with my own coins. So thank y'all for watching. Let me know below what you want to see. Do you want me to see me to try out all the Sigma brushes for a full look? Do you want me to try out the Laura Mercier powders and brush? And do you want to see the Stila foundations on Foundation Friday? Those are our options, people. Let me know below. So, and before I forget, you guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. Again, you all, thank you so much for entering my 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I greatly appreciate all the love and support, and I hope you guys continue to keep coming back and just sharing this journey with me. And I hope you're liking what I'm doing, because I sure am having so much fun. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Be on the lookout. Let me know below what you want to see next. Bye guys.